In this video, I am going to guide you on how to use PayPal with the Moovn app step by step. Connecting PayPal makes your payments faster, safer and more convenient. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Moovn app on your smartphone and log into your account. 2. Tap on the menu icon located in the top left or right corner of the screen. 3. Select the payment methods or wallet option from the menu list. 4. Choose the option to add a new payment method. 5. From the available options, select PayPal as your preferred method. 6. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal credentials. 7. Authorize the Moovn app to link with your PayPal account successfully. 8. Once linked, set PayPal as your default payment method if desired. Now you can pay for your Moovn rides easily and securely using your PayPal account. Enjoy the flexibility and safety of cashless payments with Moovn.